So welcome back to Arcade Tech Guru. So in this video I'm going to explain about the Equatable Protocol in Swift. So before that we need to discuss few comparison operators. So like other programming languages, Swift also having that comparison operators like double equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than, less than. So these are all the you can say comparison operators. Swift also does these operators. Okay, so but when do we use these operators and when we will use the equatable protocol? So that's now question comes into picture. So when you do simply comparison like two strings, if you want to compare two values or two strings, so it will work the double equal to operators. And shift, it has a one more predefined method called as a is equal. So with that method also we can do compare the two values. Let's jump into the practical. So this time taking as a two variables, f name, I will take it as a Kiran. Just last name I am taking as a Kiran Kumar. Okay, so first name is Kiran, last name is Kumar. So now if I wanted to compare the two values, right, in the f which is stored in the f name LNAME, so we have the comparison operator double equal to. Okay, so now I'm printing as the same. So in the else case just I'm printing as not same. I mean that two values are not same. Okay, just run the application. So both are not same. So let's suppose I'm giving the values same. Okay, now I'm trying to compare with this. Now it is same. That is the reason this block was got executed. Okay, so now as I discussed, there is a one more default method to compare the two values, right? So I will tell that also. Now f name dot is equal to other property I should provide here. Okay, so again I'm printing the same message here with the equal to operator, else I'll print this. Instead of that I better to write else see this is also the one say default method we can say we can to compare the two values. Let's suppose I'm changing the real name, I changed added to G, so both are not same now. Okay, now this else block got executed because of both are not same. So if it is same, it will execute the same block. Okay, see it will return the bool value. So if it is true it will execute the same, if it is false same way here also. Now okay, so these are all the very simple values we are did the comparison using the equal, double equal or equal is equal to method. So there might be a scenario in the real time project. You need to compare the two instances, not the values. Okay, so now how you will do that? How you will do the comparison for two instances? That is where exactly equitable protocol will comes to the picture. Okay, so to create the instance, first I need to have the either structure or class. First I'll take it as a struct here. I'll name it as a employee. So employee having few properties: name, age, address. So all a simple properties I took. Now I'm trying to create the instance for this structure. First instance name, I'll name it as a employee 1. Sorry, is a integer. And for employee 2 instance, location or address, I'll take it as a header. Now if I wanted to compare two instances here, let's try with the double equal. What will happen? Else if so here I'm comparing the two instances. One is e1 equal to 2. So if it is true, then it will print the both the instances are same. Okay, so if it is not same, it will comes under the else block and it will execute the both the instances are not same. Okay, so now here when you try to compare with the compare two instances with the using double equal to operator, so you got the compilation error. Okay, so here, so this is exactly where we need to implement the equitable protocol to avoid this compilation error. So you are created the structure, you are created the instance for this structure, you are comparing. So for this structure, you need to confirm with the equitable protocol. See, just nothing I'm doing, just I'm comparing, I'm inheriting that protocol here to the structure. See, a type that can be compared for the value equality. Okay, so this is the protocol. So once I confirm with that protocol, so that compilation time error it's gone actually. Now no compilation time error. Now the expectation is it should execute the else block because the values are not same. If you see the for the employee and employee 2, the values are not same, so it will execute the else block. Okay, as per our logic. Okay, both are in both the instances are not same. Okay, let's suppose if you give the same, see both the instances are same because of everything is same, name, age, address, everything is same. So so here you are not implementing the any method as well. Okay, so in the real time project maybe you will end up with one scenario. Maybe you need to compare only the id, not for the entire uh, all values. So only you need to compare with the only the id, so that we can understand that it could be the same department, or maybe if you take the products based on the one id only, we should check. And if the id matches for the both the instances, it should be written uh, both the instances are same. If the id doesn't match, so it should not same. So maybe it come as one scenario. So that scenario, so by default it is comparing the every property. So in that two instances only need to compare with the id alone. Let's see how I will do this. I'm creating the one id in the structure, so I need to pass the instances as well for the um, I will update the second instance. Okay, now I wanted to, my requirement is only I wanted to check with the id, not other fields. Okay, so that scenario we need to override this method equatable protocol. There is a one method equal to, so we should override that method. Means override means we need to provide the implementation for this method. So here we need to check only lhs dot id equal to rhs dot id. So if both are same, then it will return as a true, otherwise it is a false. Now, so ids are different. Okay, obviously it will execute the else block. Both instances are not same. So let's give the both the instances same. So if you see that only id is same, okay, and other fields are different. Okay, now now so if I try to execute, it should be the same, because we are giving the comparison only for the id, so not taking the other fields. See, both the instances are same. Let's suppose if you want to compare with the two properties. Let's suppose if we are comparing now here with the id, maybe another scenario, right? You should compare at least with the two properties. If both the two properties are same, then it will be the same instance, means same, or otherwise it will different. So now you can do with the, let's suppose if you want to compare with the age also, make it and lhs dot age equal to rhs dot age. Now what will happen? Now only it will compare the two properties. One is id, another one is age. If both are same, then only it both the instances are same, otherwise both the instances are different. Okay, just I'm running the application. So now both the instances are not same because age is different. So even though id is same, but age is different, that is the reason the both instances are not same. So now I'll give the age also same, then it should come both the instances are same. Okay, see, so this is about basic about the equitable protocol. So equitable protocol, when you want to compare the two instances, we will confirm that protocol with that struct, and we will do the comparison. Okay, so I hope this you got an idea of the equitable protocol. So if you any doubts, please do comments. I will reply. I'll do reply for that. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.